How to cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. If you're looking to cancel your Amazon Prime Video membership, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily cancel your membership step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you need to open your website or open your Chrome and simply go to Amazon. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the menu in the top left corner of your app and simply go to your account. Now scroll down and tap on your memberships and subscription. Now here you can find your Amazon Prime Video membership. What you need to do is simply tap on Manage Prime membership, and what you need to do is simply click on End membership or Cancel membership. You may also see Do not renew if you're on an annual plan. Confirm your choice by following the on-screen instructions, and Amazon will offer you a few options like switching to a monthly plan, but if you're sure you want to cancel, simply select Cancel. And finally, Amazon will ask you to confirm your cancellation. Once you're ready, tap on Confirm Cancellation and your Prime Video membership will be cancelled. And that's it. You've now successfully cancelled your Amazon Prime Video membership.